it's been great fun and we're meeting new friends, and there's a few people here that have lost their partners, and it gets them out.
I'm a widow, and it means a lot to me to come to a place like this to socialise, meet people, have a laugh and make lots of friends, to be honest. They're like my extended family.
My children drive me to come here, so I don't get off my butt. I want them no Sunday dinners. Since I've been coming here, I can mix better with people, and I enjoy coming here as well. So
Don't stay at home. Come along and make friends, and it's great. It's fun. Yes.